Ah, there we go. Having trouble with this camera. I guess I had it set on. Oops. I wrote it a little while ago, and I guess I had it on 8K and it wouldn't record. So I'm gonna try it again. It should be recording now. Here's my shop. Try it again. It should be recording now. It's driving me nuts. I don't know why it was set for 8K, but I changed it back to 2.7K. Put my shield down. Hey, now it's getting more sunny out though. I think my clock is off. So it should be recording. There's a creek that goes behind my house. It floods sometimes. Maybe once or twice a year in the spring. Hey, now the sun's back out. So it better be recording. Ordered my wife a couple of those lights for Christmas. Dude, we got two mailboxes. Got one on each part of the circle drive. So I ordered two of those lights and I'll mount them for her. Boy, look at this car. I can't believe it's legal to drive it like that. Stop. Yeah, I always have to look and see if it's recording. But what I was talking about was the tires I put on this thing. I get rid of those Kenda tires, just get rid of them. I mean, I hate to get rid of them before they're worn out, but I noticed on the Kenda tires, this thing was shooting all over the road. I mean, just like darting all over the place. I'm thinking, God, what do I need to do to this thing to get a sway bar? What the heck's going on? I put the Kumo Extra on the back of this thing a while ago, and it made a huge difference. But I put different tires on the front because those Kenda tires were just shooting me all over the road. They were just so unstable. I hated riding this thing because it was just like darting all over the road. Just crazy. So I put new tires on the front. I put the Continentals on the front. And oh my gosh, that was all the difference in the world. This thing is stable as can be now. It tracks straight, doesn't dart all over the road. So tires make all the difference in the world. This is a 2020. If you have a 2020 and up, you don't need a sway bar. All you need is new tires on the front. Those Kenda tires suck. And I went through 3 of the Kenda K9s. They don't last 10,000 miles. So I got more than 10,000 miles on this. It still looks new. So it makes all the difference in the world to get rid of those Kenda tires. I don't know if you people love them, but you don't know what you're missing to get some good tires on this thing. Come on. So it's a really nice day. It's like it's like 76. The birds are crazy. It's a really nice day. So I don't even have a jacket on. I only wear these are really light, like not sweatpants, but just my wife buys them for me. So really, I got on here today is December 23rd. It's like, well, it says 84, but it's not 84. Pretty close, probably. But I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas is 2 days away. The kids aren't gonna be here. I think my youngest son has to work, so we're not gonna have Christmas here till sometime in January. But just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and bye.